Hi everybody, my name is Peggy aka Peggy Peg. Welcome to my channel. So today I'm gonna show you, it's gonna be a special video. I'm gonna show you how to prep and install a curly wig. So I'm not a wig expert, but I did watch a lot of YouTube videos, so I'm gonna show you what I learned from that, okay? So today's wig is a gift from CurlsCurls. Look at that bugs, guys. It's so big and so luxurious. So yeah, this is the brand that gave me the wig for today. So it's such a beautiful curly wig. So I'm gonna show you what comes inside the box. I'm gonna present to you the wig and how I'm gonna prep it, and then I'm gonna come back for the installation. Okay, I hope you enjoy this video. Okay, so this is the box, so very luxurious as I said. So it comes with an elastic band if you want to tighten your wig. It also comes with 2 wigs cap. It comes with a card with the hair information, and also, well, the wig, of course. So this is the curly wig that I got. And then it comes with a card on how to take care of your hair. So this is the wig straight out of the box. So you can see the curls are a little bit stiff. So we're gonna prep it so that it can look a little bit more natural. But you can see the hairline is quite natural. So this is really good. So that's the inside of the wig. So it comes with combs and also a little bit of a tight band that you can tighten if it's a little bit too large for your head. So what I'm gonna do is put a lot of water on the hair, almost wetted, super wet. So yeah, then I'm gonna take a comb / brush to brush out the curls so that it can look a little bit more natural and not as stiff. So when I brushed all the curls out, what I'm gonna do is use a mousse. So you can use any mousse for that, just to bring back the curls. I know this makes no sense, but it really does. So I'm using a lot of mousse for that, and you're gonna see all the curls are gonna pop. It's gonna be so beautiful. So wait for it, guys. You're gonna see it. So yeah, all the hair information is gonna be on the description box. So yeah, thank you again, CurlsCurls, for this super cute wig. Look at the curls. This is what I was talking about. Such beautiful natural curls. Okay, so now the wig has dried just a little bit, so I'm gonna put it on my head, and so I'm gonna cut the front lace here. What I'm gonna do is just put on a cap that comes in the box so that I can protect my hair. So I'm leaving a little bit of my hair showing, just so that the wig can look a little bit more natural. I don't know, I like when the hair in the front shows. Personal preference, okay? Alright, so this is cute, but I think that I'm gonna remove the wig cap that I have on, just because I feel that you can see it and I don't really like that. So let me remove that. I prefer like that. I don't know if I want a middle part or a side part. Yeah, I'm gonna go with the middle part. Yeah, I'm just gonna apply just a little bit more mousse on top. This is cute. Okay, I'm gonna cut the extra lace. This is cute. So yeah, this is what I was talking about when I said I like my real hair to peek through. Okay, this is cute. Yeah, this is cute. So I'm just gonna use this got to be a gel glue thing that everybody use on YouTube just to put it down. So I'm putting some of my real hair on top of the lace to hide it. Personally, I really like it. Oh, this is cute. This is really cute. Alright, so thank you for watching, guys. So all the infos about this hair is gonna be in the description box, so don't forget to go and click on the link if you want to buy this hair. So yeah, let me know in the comments how you feel about the hair. So please don't forget to like this video, to share it with all your friends, to subscribe, and yeah, that's it. Thank you, guys. Bye.